Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money investing in stocks on Cash App. Let's get started. Cash App is a full-service banking and investing platform where you can manage your cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, and stocks. To begin investing, you first need to open the app and navigate to the home screen, which shows your main cash balance. From here, scroll down until you find the Stocks section where you can view your current investments and their values. When you're ready to invest in a stock, tap on the Invest button to browse available companies. You can search for specific stocks you're interested in or browse popular options. Once you find a stock you want to purchase, tap on it to view detailed information about the company and its performance. To buy shares, tap the Buy button and enter the amount you want to invest. You can either invest a specific dollar amount or purchase whole shares. After confirming your purchase, Cash App will execute the trade when the market is open. The key to making money with stocks is buying when prices are low and selling when they increase in value. To monitor your investments, regularly check the Stocks section to see how your portfolio is performing. When you're ready to take profits, simply tap on the stock you want to sell, select Sell, and choose whether to sell immediately or schedule the trade for when the market opens. After the sale completes, the money from your stock sale will appear in your Cash App balance. Once the funds are in your cash balance, you have several options for using your investment profits. You can withdraw the money to your linked bank account by tapping Withdraw and entering the amount. Alternatively, you can transfer profits to your Cash App savings to earn interest, reinvest in other stocks, or use your cash card to spend the money directly. Remember that investing always carries risk, and it's important to research companies before investing and only risk money you can afford to lose. With patience and smart investment choices, you can potentially grow your money over time through stock investing on Cash App.